Want to summarize long texts fast? Let me show you how to do it using QuiltBot. First, get your research paper ready. Select the part of the text you want to summarize, then copy it. Next, go to the QuiltBot website. If this is your first time, you'll need to sign up. Just enter your email, create a password, and confirm your account. Once you're in, you'll see a box where you can paste your text. Paste the text you copied earlier. Note that the free version only allows up to 125 words. Now click on the Summarise button. In a few seconds, the summarized version will appear in the box next to it. Now your Summarise is ready. QuiltBot also provides tools like an AI detector, grammar checker, and plagiarism checker all in one place. These are part of the premium plan, which costs around $5. And that's it. An easy way to summarize your text using AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.